Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining us once again as we explore another exciting compact car that delivers comfort, practicality, and smart modern features for families and daily drivers in the USA. Today we are talking about the Suzuki Spacia 2025, a highly popular K-Class vehicle known for its impressive fuel efficiency, tall cabin design, and excellent use of interior space. The 2025 model comes with refined styling, updated technology, and improved performance to make city driving easier, safer, and more enjoyable. The Suzuki Spacia 2025 continues its boxy yet stylish body profile, giving it a bold presence on the road while maximizing headroom and passenger comfort. The larger glass area improves visibility and makes the cabin feel airy and open. The front design includes sleek LED headlamps, a modern grille pattern, and smooth curves that improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. The rear design keeps the vertical tail lamps for a clean look and easy recognition. This car is perfect for crowded city streets thanks to its compact size and excellent maneuverability. Inside the Spacia 2025, Suzuki has upgraded the interior to feel more premium while keeping practicality at its core. The dashboard layout is simple and user-friendly, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting Bluetooth, USB, smartphone connection, and advanced navigation options. The seats are designed for comfort with improved cushioning, and the flat floor design provides excellent legroom for all passengers. Sliding rear doors make entering and exiting extremely easy, especially in tight parking spaces. The cargo area is spacious for its class and can be extended using foldable rear seats, making it a great choice for families, college students, and daily commuters. Under the hood, the Suzuki Spacia 2025 uses a fuel-efficient mild hybrid system that combines a small gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver smooth performance and outstanding mileage. The engine is tuned for city efficiency, offering responsive acceleration and stable handling. The hybrid technology helps reduce fuel consumption and improves overall driving comfort. CVT transmission ensures seamless gear shifts and enhances the driving experience in both stop-and-go traffic and long daily routes. Safety has also been upgraded in the 2025 Spacia. Suzuki has included advanced driver assistance features such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and parking sensors. High-strength body structure protects passengers in impact situations, and multiple airbags provide extra safety. This model is built to meet the needs of modern drivers who want reliability, efficiency, comfort, and peace of mind. If you want more updates on cars, bikes, reviews, and the latest automotive news from around the world, stay connected with our channel in the USA. Make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel at the end to support us and never miss future uploads.